Welcome to Bloom Health Haven, empowering wellness, embracing life. Have you ever stood in your kitchen after a long day, too tired to cook, and ended up ordering takeout again? You're not alone. That's exactly why this video might just change your life. Today we're diving into creative meal prep ideas for a healthier lifestyle, designed to save you time, reduce stress, and nourish your body. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or managing a family, this guide will help you turn your kitchen into your wellness sanctuary. Let's jump into it. Chapter 1. Why meal prep matters. Meal prep isn't just about saving time. It's a mindset shift. It helps you make intentional choices and avoid decision fatigue. A 2021 study published in the International Journal of Behavioral Nutrition found that meal prepping is associated with healthier food choices, lower food costs, and reduced BMI. When you prep ahead, you're less likely to grab ultra-processed snacks or skip meals entirely. It gives you back control over your energy, your nutrition, and even your finances. And no, it doesn't have to be boring chicken and broccoli every day. Let's get creative. But beyond convenience, meal prep supports consistency, a major factor in any health goal. When meals are ready, you're not relying on willpower alone. You're setting up your environment for success. It also helps you track nutrients, portion sizes, and avoid the hidden fats and sugars often found in takeout or convenience meals. Chapter 2. Prep like a pro. Tools and setup. Before we dive into recipes and ideas, you need the right setup. Stock your kitchen with these basics. 1. Glass containers with airtight lids. 2. Mason jars for overnight oats and salads. 3. A quality chopping board and knife. 4. Measuring cups and spoons. Silicone muffin trays for portioned items, like egg bites or mini meatloaves. 6. A slow cooker or instant pot for bulk meals. 7. Reusable labels and markers to keep things organized. Choose a day to prep, usually Sunday or whatever works best for your schedule. Play music, set the vibe, and treat it like self-care, not a chore. Start small. Even prepping just 2 meals a week is a win. Batch prep your grains and proteins. Cook quinoa, brown rice, or couscous ahead. Grill or bake chicken breast, tofu, or chickpeas in bulk. Store sauces separately to keep meals tasting fresh and avoid sogginess. Remember, successful prep is all about system, not perfection. Chapter 3. Creative breakfast prep ideas. Let's begin with breakfast, often skipped but incredibly important for metabolism and mood. Try these creative prep ideas. Layer frozen fruit, chia seeds, oats, spinach, and protein powder. In the morning, just add almond milk and blend. Mix eggs, peppers, onions, spinach, and a sprinkle of feta. Pour into muffin trays and bake. Easy, portable, and protein-rich. Try matcha oats with coconut milk and berries, or chocolate banana oats with cacao nibs and almond butter. Include boiled eggs, fruit, whole grain crackers, and hummus. Scrambled eggs, spinach, black beans, and cheese rolled in whole wheat wraps. Freeze and reheat in the microwave. Make a big batch using oats and bananas. Layer with almond butter and freeze individually. These ideas make breakfast effortless and delicious. Chapter 4. Lunches that travel well. Lunch should energize you, not leave you sluggish. Here are some creative, travel-friendly meal prep ideas. Layer your salad from wet to dry. Dressing at the bottom, followed by grains, beans, veggies, and greens last. Shake and eat. Base of quinoa or couscous, topped with roasted veggies, olives, grilled chicken, and a dollop of hummus. Prep components separately. Cooked chicken or tofu, sliced veggies, sauces. Build wraps fresh so they don't go soggy. Try lentil soup, sweet potato chili, or miso broth with noodles. Freeze in individual portions. Pair hard-boiled eggs, roasted veggies, whole grain pita, and a dip like tzatziki or guacamole. Mix farro, chickpeas, roasted tomatoes, and arugula with olive oil and lemon. Stays fresh for days. Each of these options balances protein, fiber, and flavor. Chapter 5. Dinner without the drama. Dinner time is often when we hit a wall. Meal prep helps you avoid the drive-through. Think salmon with broccoli and sweet potatoes, or tofu, bell peppers, and zucchini with a teriyaki glaze. Coconut chickpea curry. turkey chili, vegetable stir-fry with brown rice, layered pasta salads with dressing, beans, chopped veg, and greens. Last 4 days in the fridge. Zucchini or whole wheat noodles, ricotta, spinach, tomato sauce. Bake, freeze, reheat. Fill with lentils, grains, and veggies. Top with a bit of cheese and bake in batches. Add ingredients in the morning and return home to a ready dinner. Try shredded chicken tacos, lentil dal, or beef stew. Dinner doesn't have to be a struggle when it's already done. Chapter 6. Smart snacks and sweet treats. Healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about choice. Try prepping these snacks. DIY trail mix with seeds, dark chocolate, and dried fruit. 2. Hummus, the veggie packs, in reusable jars. 3. Frozen yogurt bark with berries and nuts. 4. Energy balls made with oats, peanut butter, honey, flax. Even dessert can be part of your plan. 1. Chia pudding with mango puree. 2. Baked apples with cinnamon and oats. Banana ice cream. Blend frozen bananas with a splash of almond milk and vanilla. 4. Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer granola, yogurt, berries, and cinnamon in jars. When healthy options are ready, you're less likely to reach for packaged junk. Snacking smart keeps your energy up and your blood sugar steady. Chapter 7. Keep it fresh and avoid burnout. The biggest complaint about meal prep? It gets boring. Here's how to keep it exciting. 1. Use theme nights like Taco Tuesday, Stir Fry Friday. 2. Prep sauces in batches. Pesto, tahini, vinaigrette, peanut sauce. 3. Switch up your grains. Try bulgur, freekeh, wild rice. 4. Try global inspiration. Mediterranean, Asian, African flavors. 5. Incorporate fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut for gut health. Switch things up with textures, colors, and flavor profiles. Make your plate look and feel joyful. It's a meal, not a punishment. And remember, meal prep doesn't mean you have to eat the same thing every day. Prep components you can mix and match for variety. Chapter 8. Special diet meal prep. Vegan, low carb, and more. If you follow a specific dietary lifestyle, meal prep is even more powerful. For plant-based eaters, prep roasted chickpeas, lentil stews, tofu marinades, nut-based dressings. 2. Batch cook grains like millet or buckwheat for diversity. For low-carb lifestyles, focus on leafy greens, cauliflower rice, eggs, grilled proteins, avocado, nuts. 2. Prep egg bakes, zucchini noodles, and seed crackers for gluten-free needs. 1. Use quinoa, brown rice, polenta, sweet potatoes. 2. Prep gluten-free oats, soups, and lettuce wraps. Customizing your prep ensures you meet your health needs without daily stress. Call to action. If this video inspired you, like and subscribe for more weekly wellness content. Visit bloomhealthhaven.com for free meal prep downloads, recipes, and wellness tools. And if you want to turn your passion for health into a business, head to edithspro.com. Learn how to start and grow your own online business from anywhere with just Wi-Fi and a phone. See you next time on Bloom Health Haven.